Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Now on the XRP chart we seem to see this expected breakout from the triangle at the moment that we talked about in the previous update. If you watched the previous update or did read my update on Discord for gold members earlier today, then you will realize, or you will have seen that the best count, even though it's not very clear on the smaller time frame, but the best count I could offer was this triangle pattern here, which allowed for an upside breakout, especially as long as we're holding above the red line. So that was the key level against which we could focus on higher, and it seems like it's going that way. We broke above the D wave high, so quick educational lesson. Any break above a D wave high in a triangle is typically a first upside breakout signal for an altcoin. And this could indicate the rally in wave C is starting. The blue count has become less likely, which is, let's say, a rally that could attack the all-time high. It's not impossible. It's not unlikely. It has become less likely because a wave 2 cannot be a triangle. Even though I have to say, just because nobody has officially seen one, it doesn't mean they don't exist, right? It's about how rigid are we with the rules. But from an Elliott wave point of view, traditional rules, wave 2s can't be a triangle. It is, of course, possible the wave 2 is here, and this is a direct breakout. I mentioned in previous updates to you the possibility of a 1-2 setup here, another 1-2 setup, but removed it because of the triangle, because both were anyway pointing in the same direction. So this is now increasingly interesting, given that we have that first breakout signal. But in a triangle, the first breakout signal, and it's not a confirmation. I hate that word confirmation anyway, because people think it's certainty. No, but it's still all probabilistic. But nevertheless, we have an indication if the price breaks above the D wave high, but it could always be that it breaks down again and the triangle extends and that D wave shifts here. That is why we say the D wave breakout is an indication, but a confirmation is a break above the B wave high. That's at 253. That is actually, let's say, confirmation, solid confirmation. What does that mean? Well, it means the triangle can't simply extend beyond that, because, yeah, you can't. You could move the B wave here, but then it's way above the beginning of the triangle, and it's not that, I don't want to discuss all the rules here, but that is pretty much what it is. These two levels are key. Also interesting to see that the price broke out of this price channel to the upside, retested it from above, found support in that weak. I called it a weak support zone because it's just for a triangle, right? And these typically indicate how should I say it? They typically indicate indecision to a degree, right? But nevertheless, it made more sense for it to break out to the upside due to the triangle structure. So it's doing that right now. It's trying to. So if really a triangle bottomed there, then a C wave rally could be unfolding. And if this is a C wave, what would be a typical target? A typical target would be the 100% extension. Now I have to say, do I fully believe that? It could take us to $3.06. I'm not sure yet. All right, I'm just highlighting this is a normal mathematical projection for a C wave. We need to see how the subdivisions unfold. C waves don't need to be that long. We also have additional resistance in the area around 264 and 276. And then obviously the previous high around 290, right? So let's see if we can get to these levels first. We are dealing here with a microstructure, so we have to take it level by level and have to remain flexible. All I can say for now is that you could assume that this triangle is breaking out, but the invalidation point is at 237. So any break below the intraday low will make it fall back into the triangle. Or anything more bearish, right? But for now, it's looking promising, and key is though that this intraday low is now holding. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.